What is an organism? An organism is a living thing. Plants and animals are types of organisms. Since a person is an animal, a person is an organism too. Remember that Earth has four spheres. The geosphere has rocks, the hydrosphere has water, the atmosphere has air, the biosphere has living things. Since organisms are living things, an organism is in the biosphere. Organisms all have the same life cycle. First, they are born. Next, they grow from small to big. Then they reproduce by making babies. Finally, they die. Here's an example with animals. First, a frog is born as a tadpole. Next, it grows from a tadpole to a frog. Then it reproduces by laying eggs. Finally, it dies. Here's an example with plants. First, a tree is born as a seed. Next, it grows from a seedling to a sapling to a tree. Then it reproduces by making more seeds. Finally, it dies. During an organism's life cycle, it has to meet its needs, or it will die too early. Organisms have four needs: food, water, shelter, and air. Organisms meet their need in their habitats, which is the place where they live. Here's an example with animals. A frog's habitat is a pond. Flies that live around the pond are the frog's food. The water in the pond gives the frog water. Rocks in the pond where the frog can hide to sleep provide shelter. Frogs breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Here's an example with plants. A tree's habitat is a forest. A tree makes its own food using the light from the sun. Trees get water from the rain that falls in the forest by soaking it up through their roots. Other trees and big rocks in the forest can provide shelter by blocking the wind. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen.